Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This video shows how to change your Apple ID language across devices step by step. You will update the language setting that appears in Apple Services and Communications. Prepare by signing into your Apple ID on one device to confirm account details. Back up important data and note app settings before you make any changes. Understand that language changes affect iCloud messages, App Store, and email communications. If you use family sharing, ask the organizer about language preferences and restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your name at the top. Select Name, Phone Numbers, Email, then choose the Language and Region option. If Language and Region is not visible, go to Settings, General Language and Region. Tap Preferred Language and select your new language from the list provided. Confirm the change and enter your Apple ID password if prompted to verify the update. Restart the device to ensure system apps and notifications reflect the new language. On a Mac, open System Settings or System Preferences and click Apple ID. Choose iCloud or Name, then find Language and Region to change the account language. On Apple.com, sign in and edit your personal information to set language preferences. After changing language, sign out and back in on other devices to sync the setting. If apps still appear in the old language, change each app's in-app language setting individually. Contact Apple support if you encounter verification issues or stuck language settings post-change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.